Hi, well, welcome back to Two Spanners Piston Broke with Matt and Jim. Well, today I'm on my holidays here in Stuttgart, and any trip to a German city isn't complete without some form of culture vulture time. So here I am here in the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart. Fantastic place. I'll be honest with you, I'm not too clued up on Porsche and their model numbers, but just walking around with my kids, it's a great opportunity to see loads and loads of different cars. Some of them I remember from my childhood, and the sort of things I used to lust after when I was at school with Jim. But yeah, come with me and we'll just have a little walk around. I think definitely Two Spanners Piston Broke would take the tractor over any one of the Porsches here. I think this is definitely the next fleet member. Porsche tractor, what do you think? So this is actually the oldest Porsche 911 in the museum. It was originally type number 901, but Peugeot had the rights to that number configuration. So Porsche then replaced the 0 with a 1 and a legend was born. So who doesn't like a piece of Lego? A life-size 911 in Lego. Yeah, I think that would take a few weekends to put together and a few bottles of gin to sink it down, but definitely a project that I think Jim would take on. This might be the closest I ever come to driving a Porsche 911 GT3 RS, so I'm going to enjoy this. So here we are at Two Spanners Piston Broke's awards cabinets. Not.